Good morning and welcome to channel Taram Pam Pam. So today's date is 21st October 2021. So hitting around the timeline, there was a movie released in 1997, Titanic. That was a blockbuster. And in this telepathy world, I think that this movie was also written on me by James Cameron, my friend. Because in this movie, the girl was shown some exclusively beautiful, and my girlfriend was also very beautiful in my school, like Kate Winslet, and even the seniors used to woo her. When she was in class 7, the class 10 boys used to woo her. So instead of being shorter heights than them, and she was something exclusive, beautiful, and hot, and not hot, actually beautiful and mature. So any man would fall in love with her. And she was, her face cutting was just like Kate Winslet. And the thing which inspired me to think that this Titanic movie was on me, because that girl Aditi, when she came in class 7, she once upon a time, while going with her friends in the corridor, she was about to hit me, and she even noticed it, but she didn't move from her position. And from that instant, I fell in love with her. In class 8, she was in my section, and I used to look at her and smile, and she used to look at me and smile, but we never talked. In class 9, she was in different section. In class 10, she fortunately came into my section and put in front of me, as the girl sitting in front of me changed her school, and so the seat was vacant. Thus, we started developing something, and it was the class 10 when we started talking for some silly things like, please can you give me the pen, please can you give me the book, please can you give me the notes, something like that. And the worst part of the Titanic movie is, what was shown in the movie was, the hero of the movie, Jake, used or taught the fairy lady how to speak far. And this is the same thing I taught to that girl Aditi. After we got in touch and became some friend, in his incident how to speak and how to speed it far. So because I was means I was brought up among the gangsters from class 7 to class 11, because the house where it was constructed was earlier was say dacoit area, and all the children of dacoit, with all the children of dacoit, I learned to play football and cricket and badminton and all these things. So my nature was something like that of a street boss. So I was at that time very beautiful and fair, like the hero of the Titanic, Jake, and she was also very beautiful and a pretty girl. So I think the movie, and in the Titanic movie, the fiance of the girl also resembles something like me. His nature is a characteristic and all these things. So in the Titanic movie, the two characters, the hero and the villain, the were both the darker and brighter side of me was taken in the movie, and it was developed because in a Hollywood movie, unlike Bollywood movie, in a Hollywood movie both my darker and brighter sides are being shown in the same movie, and in the Bollywood movies the darker side has been played by a one hero and for his entire life, and the brighter side are being shown by the one hero in his entire life. So in the Titanic movie, both these characters were on me. Thank you very much.